previous tutorial was how to update records in Python. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete a record in Python in HTML page. So first of all I'm gonna adding table head is action. First of all I'm gonna adding an action form action delete method first. Okay, it's done. Now add button control in the form, tag input type equal to hidden and name equal to SID. SID is the column name of the database table. This is existing the 0 index, so just call the 0 index in value. Okay, it's done. Now add a button input type equal to submit. This is a submit button and value equal to delete. Now I'm gonna add a method delete method. So writing delete method f.root. This is delete method, so write delete method first. Now def delete. So con equal to connect db cursor con.cursor sid request dot from sid is the database table column name student id card dot execute. Write the delete command. What will be execute to delete the student based on the student id. So con dot commit card dot close con dot close return redirect to index page url for index. Okay, now run the plus run. Okay, now see that it's done. Now just click on delete. It will be deleted based on the SID. So delete id 3. Okay, it's done. Now I'm inserting a record and I'll show the record how to delete. Okay, so it's deleted, run it successfully. Thank you.